Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how and where you can find your workspace URL on Slack, for example, to use it to invite new team members to your Slack workspace really quickly. So let us get started. Now doing this is super simple, guys. Simply head over to Slack, make sure that you're logged in with your account. And here in the top left corner, in the first tab, select your workspace from that drop-down menu here. So let me go with that one here. And basically all you will need to do, guys, is select Tools and Settings from that drop-down menu here. And here to the right, from the following drop-down menu, simply select Edit Workspace Details. That is going to open up that window here for you. So you can, for example, customize your workspace name, and you may also customize its URL below, or simply copy it like that, or note it down, for example, on a document or Word document, and share it with your contacts to invite them to join your workspace here on Slack and to work with you on projects. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.